Yes guys, welcome back to another video, and it is your boy Chef André Davy, and today guys I'm here to share another easy recipe with you guys, and this one is a detox recipe. Okay guys, perfect for detoxifying the body. So let's jump right into the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some ice to my glass. Yeah. Okay guys, and from there I'm gonna go ahead and add some cucumber, some sliced cucumber. And to that guys, you want to add some fresh mint and some lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. Okay guys, and you want to go ahead and use some filtered water and fill your glass guys, and there we go. Wow, how is it looking guys? Isn't it amazing? Thank you guys so much for watching another video. Goodbye.